How to get rid of lower back pain instantly. You know that time where you've bent down, you picked up a suitcase, you try to put your shoes on in the morning or your socks on in the morning and your back has just got locked, you got stuck in position, you're thinking, oh, I've got a busy day at work, or about to go on holiday the next day, or I'm going to pick up my kids, and you can't get out of pain and it's been bugging you the whole day. You don't want to take painkillers, you don't want to get in the line for the GP, you want to try and fix it yourself and get rid of the pain instantly. Well, good news is I'm going to show you exactly how you can do that. So my name is Dr. Jeremy Andrews. I'm a doctor of chiropractic here at West Chiropractic in Surrey, and we want to tell you exactly how you can help yourself to get rid of back pain instantly. So let's get started. Okay, so first one here, you can see I'm on the floor, okay, and I'm by this chiropractic table here. Now, I appreciate that a lot of you have not got chiropractic tables at home. You can use the bed, it's going to be the best thing, or a dining room chair, but probably the bed is going to be best. Because a lot of the time, you wake up in the morning and your back's been fine the day before, but you wake up in the morning and you literally cannot get out of bed. So what you can do is try to get yourself onto the floor. The legs go up on the bed like this. They're going to go at 90 degrees and 90 degrees, okay? It's a little bit hard to do these beds. Bring this down a little bit here. So yeah, 90 degrees and 90 degrees, okay? So my back wants to be flat. My legs want to be at 90, they're not quite at 90 there, we'll probably go a little bit more. Now what's going to happen here is it's going to take all the pressure off the base of my spine. So what I can do is I can just let my back just sink down, I can let my hips sink down, take all the pressure off there. Now, this is great because even if you've got sciatic pain or a disc issue, it's going to keep your back in a straight position here because you're not flexed, you're not doing any crunches or anything like that. You're not bending forwards or putting pressure on your back. And it's also going to take a load of stress off the base here. So really, really good way just to help everything sink down, take the weight off your body as well. Another great way to do that is swimming. So swimming is a great way to just feel like a less gravity on your body. It's going to really help to move and obviously less weight going through the lower part of the back. So when you just start doing this for about 3 minutes, you'll feel really everything start to relax. You can do some very light breathing techniques or some light meditation. That's also going to help with the pain as well. Just breathing in through the nose and out through the mouth. Really work the diaphragm. The diaphragm's great because it contracts into the back. So if you can soften the diaphragm up as well, it's going to help relax the back. Now, you don't want to do this for too long, okay? You don't want to be down here for like 3 hours, but anything from 3 minutes to 5 minutes is perfect. Getting up is going to be the hard part, especially if you just had a recent back spasm. So, just rolling the legs to the side. I go on the side like this. One hand comes down and we push like this. Push. And then it's a very gentle onto the knees. One leg comes up and then you push through there. Into the crouch position, squat, and coming through. Okay, second one, you're gonna be in bed as well. So on your back like this, legs hug into the chest, squeeze the legs, you might want to just pinch them around like this, and then it's a rocking from side to side. So hugging into the chest, rocking from side to side. You may find it more comfortable with your head back like this. I find it a bit better because it puts my spine under a bit more tension. But I haven't got back pain at the moment, touch wood. So just do whatever feels comfortable for you, depending on what stage of the problem you're in. And that's just going to help to give some light massage to the back, but also help to flex the base of the spine and help to open up some of the vertebrae. So just moving from side to side, taking pressure off. And then if you're in that position, another great one is to cross the leg over, and this helps to stretch the glute all the way into the back. You pull through like this, you can push your head up through like this, pull the knee together, that's going to help take some stress off the base of the spine as well. So a really nice way is to get tension off there. And on the other side, pulling through like this, again taking stress off, it's going to help to move the body like that as well. Okay, so like this, just pulling through, switch over, 30 seconds, 3 times on each leg. Okay, I also like to use a massage gun like this one. We sell these in the clinic here, but you can get them on Amazon for anything from 60 to 90 pounds, it's pretty good. There are amazing ones like Theragun, they're more expensive, but if you wanted to spend 60 quid, you can get a really decent one. So they tell on the bottom, start to go green, and then you hit the on button. Anything from like a level 6 or a 7 out of 10, there's a lot of tissues to go through the back here. So I just pop it onto my back like this, I work on these two muscles on either side of the spine. These are called the erector spinae muscles. Go up and down. Also work on the glutes. And circular movements, just to help take pressure off. And you don't want to go on the bone. You go on the bone, no changes, the sound changes, and you want this nice soft sound here. Okay. So it may be tricky to hear me when I was going through that, but I was basically saying don't go on the bone, go on the muscles on either side of the spine, the erector spinae muscles, and also go around the glutes. It's going to help to soften up all the inflammation, going to help things get moving better and get you back to doing what you were doing that day. I think in painkillers, for chiropractors, we are drug-free. We don't prescribe medications. We try and do things as naturally as possible. So that is really your call. All I would say is if you are going to take anti-inflammatories or other painkillers, make sure you're doing it on a full stomach and make sure you're seeking professional medical help, particularly from a GP, if you are thinking about taking any prescription medication or any other medications. I can't advise on that, but yeah, make sure you're taking the right guidelines and the right advice. Okay, so there we have it. Those are my top ways to get you out of back pain instantly and make sure that you can get back to doing your day-to-day. If you liked the video, please hit the like button. Please subscribe to the channel for our regular updates, and you can grab copies of my best-selling books, The Secret Cure to Back Pain, How to Avoid a Lifetime of Painkillers and Surgery, and also How to Transform Your Back. You can grab copies of these in the show notes below. Look forward to seeing you next time. Bye now.